Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing the new Cult Beauty Set for Sun Edit. That is now sold out. Oh my gosh, they're selling out super fast. But that's not all. They're ready for Radiance, the second beauty box that's released at the same time yesterday morning around 8 o'clock. Early access, not even general sale. For those that signed up for a notification over the last couple of weeks, you'd get an email first to say you can get it early. The second edit, ready for Radiance, that was sold out before I even had a chance to post about it. It's just typical, isn't it? I was super busy yesterday with school and things like that, by the time I got home, settled down, had my cup of tea, looking through all my emails, Cult Beauty notification email about these boxes. Yeah, one of them is already sold out. It's bonkers. Although you know what boxes are coming out, they put up posts on their website so then you can sign up for a notification for when they are released. But we're never told exactly the date. But saying that, I am on Cult Beauty's affiliate program, so I think I should already know the release date, which has taught me a lesson. I'm very scatty with things like this, and yeah, so I'm sure I've had an email off Cult Beauty about a week or so ago with new releases and when they're coming out and things like that. So I might have already known about this, but just completely forgot about it. I'm just talking a load of bollocks now. Basically, two boxes were released yesterday and they're both sold out. They both cost £40. The Ready for Radiance had a value of around £267, I think, and the Set for Sun Edit has a value of around £200. Cult Beauty always brings out a summer skin edit, so I had to get it. There's some really great products in here, but I do have some reservations, which I'll go through as the video goes on. So you won't find a link down below. They haven't told us what their next beauty box is going to be, but if Cult Beauty have any other offers on their website, then I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as you'll see my giveaway to win a Glossybox beauty box over on Instagram, and all my other discount codes and offers for other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So let's open this then. Turns out you love to keep your skin protected as much as we do. Backed by popular demand, this year's top to toe collection of summer skin saviours, including high performance SPFs and feel good formulas with some returning favourites, will have you shielded, hydrated and rearing to go. So we get a little bag, which I liked, and there's all the products in there. This is nice. I like this. I like the colour as well. It's a nice little toiletry bag. There's no information leaflet or card about the products inside the box, but all the products can be found on the Cult Beauty website. So starting off with something I love, and this is a deodorant balm by MALIN+GOETZ. This is eucalyptus deodorant, formulated with eucalyptus, globulus leaf oil, citronellil, to keep odour at bay, leaves no residue and never stains. There's 73 grams here, so big balm. I've had this before. I wonder if they do other scents. It's a nice scent, eucalyptus, but it's more medicinal, isn't it? As opposed to everyday scent. But this is the one I had last time anyway, and I did find it really good. It contains no aluminium, alcohol and parabens, which is great. But yeah, I need to see if they do any other scents. Next, we've got one of my favourite SPF brands. This is Ultraviolet SPF30 Clean Screen, fragrance-free, sensitive facial sunscreen, high protection, and there's 50 mils there. And I believe it was Cult Beauty that introduced me to this brand a couple of years ago. It's a physical sunscreen and it's particularly good for people that have acne. It sets with like a natural finish and a lightweight texture, so it doesn't irritate skin then. I've never had trouble with it anyway, but it's a really nice one. I do really like it, so one of the main reasons I went for this box. Next, I got something new. I haven't tried this. Polyglutamic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF30 for all skin types. Protect and hydrate for dewy prime skin. UVA and UVB, and there's 50 mils here. A broad spectrum sunscreen that provides UVA and UVB protection from the sun's harmful rays with an 8% hydration trio of polyglutamic acid, glycerin and squalene. The silky formula locks in moisture for a smooth, dewy finish. I wonder what that would be like on my skin. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what you think. So yeah, a Polyglutamic Acid Dewy Sunscreen from the INKEY list. Then we've got Paula's Choice. This is Advanced Sun Protection Daily Moisturiser, Ultimate Shielding with Broad Spectrum SPF50 with antioxidants for all skin types. It helps prevent premature aging and it has an ultra sheer finish and UVA and UVB protection. There's 60 mils there. Now I don't think I've had this one. I'll know more when I see the bottle. No, I haven't. Nope, I've had a Paula's Choice Body SPF, which is really lovely. There's no extra information about it, but I love the fact that it's SPF 50, so I'll be saving this more for the summer months and see what that's like on top of my skincare and under makeup. So lots of SPF so far. Let's go for something a bit different, although nothing new, as we seem to have, or I seem to have received these a few times in different beauty boxes recently. It's the time of year, I understand, coming into spring, and these type of products are amazing. This is Megababe, it's Thigh Rescue. It's a chafing balm. I apply it to my thighs in the summer months when I wear dresses. You can apply it anywhere to your body, really. They're handy, really great to use. No more redness on my legs anymore. So they are brilliant. I've been using these for a good couple of years now. Different brands, but I have been using mainly this one because this is the one I seem to be getting quite often in different beauty boxes. It definitely will be used. Oh, I haven't shown you what it looks like. It's like a deodorant balm, you know? So you just twist it up there. There you go. Next we've got Supergoop. This is Unseen Sunscreen SPF 30, high protection, water resistant, clear gel sunscreen primer. It's 10 mils. This is a sample. This is a really nice sunscreen actually, because it acts as a primer. It just leaves your skin feeling really nice and soft. So yeah, so even though it's only a small one, it is a good one, a nice one to try. See if your skin likes it anyway. Well, what am I talking about? You can't even get this box anymore. Anyway, we have got Philip Kingsley Swimcap water resistant mask, 100 mils, and I think I've still got mine from last year. Really handy to slap on your hair before you go into a pool or the sea or anything like that. So yeah, it is really handy. It's just a nice thick cream basically that you saturate your hair with. Tie it up or clip it up out the way and you're good to go. It's to protect you. Does it say anything else here? Swimcap treatment mask deeply conditions your hair while shielding it against the damaging effects of chlorinated and salt water. Prevents fade, breakage, dryness, and yeah, it is a good product. Then we've got ELEMIS. We've got a Pro Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30. It's a hydrating day cream and there's 15 mils there. I love this. It's a nice lightweight cream. It absorbs nicely into my skin and I like the fact that it's got SPF 30 in there as well. So yeah, a nice little travel size there. Away for the night or something. And then lastly we've got another sample. This is Lancaster Tan Maximiser 1 month tan prolonging after sun lotion. So it's an after sun lotion that you apply to your body when you've been tanning in the sun all day. This will never be used by me. I wear fake tan all the time and I'm factor 50 if I'm out in the sun. So I never have a natural tan. I'll be passing it on. So there you go. Those are all the items in the Sun. I forgot what it's called. Set for Sun Edit. Although there's some really nice products in there, I don't think this is a wow box, you know, and I'm really gutted because I absolutely adore cult beauty boxes, especially this Sun Edit. They have been amazing over the last couple of years because they introduced me to different brands, like as I mentioned earlier, Ultraviolet. I'm sure it was through Cult Beauty. That's how I became to love that brand. But this box just feels very samey, as if we've had them all before in the boxes. Nothing new then. Oh, I don't know, I'm a bit on the fence about it. But obviously I'm not saying we've received all of these products before in cult beauty boxes. We might receive them in different boxes. It's just that this box in particular, it's just like, okay, it's a nice box, but it's not a wow box. It's not a wow box, not like previous years have been, where it's like full of products that I haven't tried before or new brands that I haven't tried before, you know? But am I asking for too much? What do you think? What's your thoughts on this box? Did you get it? Or do you think that's not for you? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below, and thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.